An inscription on a tombstone in memory of the person who has died. Epitaph, Samadhi Lake, Smriti Lake. A person who loves mankind and donates money and time to help others. Philanthropist, Manav Premi. Paropkari, something no longer in use. Obsolete, Aprachalit. A person who endures pain or hardship without showing feelings or complaining. Stoic, Sukh dukh mein saman rehne wala. One who does not believe in the existence of God. Atheist, Nastik, a speech or presentation made without previous preparation. Extempore, Bina tayari ke, a person who can speak several languages. Polyglot, Bahubhashi, a place for keeping birds in a confined space. Aviary, Pakshi Shala, Pakshi, Ghar, an extreme fear of confined or enclosed spaces. Claustrophobia, बंद या छोटी जगह का भय, difficult or impossible to read. Illegible. Apatmiya, a person who loves or collects books. Bibliophile, Pustak Premi, an imagined perfect society where everything is ideal. Utopia, Adarsh Kalpanik Samaj, a solution for all difficulties or diseases. Panacea, Ramban Ilaj, a person who draws or makes maps. Cartographer, Manchitrakar, something that cannot be avoided, certain to happen. Inevitable, Atal, belonging to a living in the same time period as another contemporary. Samkaleen, a person having excessive admiration for oneself, especially one's appearance. Narcissist, Atmamugdha Vyakti, a person who never takes alcoholic drinks. Teetotaler, Sharab na peene wala Vyakti, the place where public government or historical records are kept. Archive, Abhilekhagar, a person who eats human flesh. Cannibal, Narbhakshak, one who is difficult to please. Fastidious, बारीकियों पर अत्यधिक ध्यान देने वाला. बहुत चुनिंदा, a person who attacks or criticizes cherished beliefs or institutions. Iconoclast, स्थापित मान्यताओं का विरोधी, one who cannot make mistakes. Infallible, अचूक, a person who hates and avoids other people. Misanthrope, Manavdveshi, a form of government by a small group of people. Oligarchy, Alpatantra, कुछ लोगों का शासन. Knowing everything. Omniscient, Sarvagyani, an arrangement of events or dates in the order of their occurrence. Chronology, Kalakram, unable to be corrected or reformed. Incorrigible, Ishodhaniya, जो कभी न सुधर सके, one who is unable to pay debts. Insolvent. Diwaliya, a person who writes and edits dictionaries. Lexicographer, Shabdkosh Nirmata, a person who believes that laws and governments are not necessary. Anarchist, Arajaktavadi, a place where weapons and military equipment are stored. Arsenal, Shastragar, the scientific study of insects. Entomology, Keetvigyan, a soldier who fights for any country that pays them. Mercenary, Kiraye ka Sainik, a person who collects or studies stamps. Philatelist, डाक टिकट संग्रहकर्ता, having many different skills. Versatile, बहुमुखी, अनेक कार्यों में निपुण, a person who selflessly works for the welfare of others. Altruist, परोपकारी, one who engages in an activity for pleasure rather than as a profession. Amateur, शौकिया व्यक्ति, able to use both the left and right hands equally well. Ambidextrous, उभयहस्त, दोनों हाथों से समान रूप से काम करने वाला. The story of a person's life written by someone else. Biography, Jeevani, the art of beautiful handwriting. Calligraphy, Sulekh, a person employed to drive a private or hired car. Chauffeur, Motor Chalak, a person who believes that all events are predetermined and inevitable. Fatalist, Bhagyavadi, the deliberate killing of a large group of people, especially of a particular nation or ethnic group. Genocide, Narsanhar, living in groups, tending to associate with others of one's kind. Gregarious, झुंड में रहने वाला. Milansar, a sentimental longing for a period in the past. Nostalgia, पुरानी यादों की तड़प, having unlimited power. Omnipotent, सर्वशक्तिमान, a government by the richest people of a country, plutocracy, धनी लोगों का शासन, occurring, awarded, or appearing after someone's death, posthumous, maranoparant, a person who lives alone and avoids other people, recluse, ekantvasi, an animal that can live both on land and in water, amphibian, ubhaychar, जंतु, जल और स्थल दोनों में रहने वाला जीव, the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites, archaeology, पुरातत्व शास्त्र, one who practices severe self-discipline and abstains from bodily pleasures, ascetic, tapasvi vyakti, a book written by a person about their own life, autobiography, atmakatha, a person who has expert knowledge and refined taste in a particular subject, connoisseur, किसी विषय का पारखी व्यक्ति, a sound that cannot be heard, inaudible, अश्राव्य, सुनाई न देने वाला, a mental condition where a person feels an uncontrollable urge to steal, kleptomania, चोरी करने की मानसिक बीमारी, a state of disorder due to absence of government or authority, anarchy, अव्यवस्था, अराजकता, a person who leaves his country to live in another, emigrant, देश छोड़कर जाने वाला, lasting for a very short time, ephemeral, क्षणिक, थोड़े समय के लिए, one who eats excessively, glutton, अत्यधिक भोजन करने वाला, holding an office or position as an honor without payment, honorary, अवैतनिक, a person who imagines illness or is abnormally anxious about health, hypochondriac, रोगग्रमी, a person more focused on their own thoughts than social interaction, introvert, अंतर्मुखी व्यक्ति, a place where money is coined by authority of the government mint, taksal, a person who studies or collects coins, numismatist, mudra shastri, a piece of land or garden in which fruit trees are grown, orchard, फलदार पेड़ों का बाग, safe or suitable for drinking, potable, पीने योग्य, the killing of a king, regicide, राजहत्या, one who walks in sleep, somnambulist, नींद में चलने वाला, a person who helps another commit a crime, a partner in crime, accomplice, सह अपराधी, one who is not sure about God's existence, agnostic, ईश्वर के बारे में संशयवादी व्यक्ति, the study of human societies, cultures and their development, anthropology, मानव विज्ञान, a government by one person having absolute power, autocracy, तानाशाही, एक व्यक्ति का निरंकुश शासन, a group of stars that forms a shape in the sky and has a name, constellation, नक्षत्र, तारों का समूह, to free somebody from all blame, exonerate, दोषमुक्त करना, a person who walks on foot rather than traveling in a vehicle, pedestrian, पैदल, यात्री, the scientific study of sound, acoustics, ध्वनि विज्ञान, a place where bees are kept, apiary, मधुमक्खियों के पालने का स्थान, a person who renounces religious or political beliefs, apostate, धर्म या विश्वास को त्यागने वाला व्यक्ति, a government by the nobles or the highest social class, aristocracy, श्रेष्ठ जनों का शासन, hard but easily broken, brittle, भंगुर, आसानी से टूटने योग्य, a keeper or custodian of a museum or other collection, curator, संग्रहालय का संरक्षक, a poem expressing sorrow for the dead, elegy, शोकगीत, an extreme or irrational fear of water, especially as a symptom of rabies, hydrophobia, पानी का डर, a person who pretends to be what they are not, hypocrite, पाखंडी, that which cannot be conquered, invincible, ajeya, a plan of a journey, including the route and the places to be visited, itinerary, yatra karyakram, a document or book written by hand before being printed, manuscript, hastalikhit, a person who hates women, misogynist, स्त्री से घृणा करने वाला, the practice of giving unfair advantages to one's relatives, nepotism, भाई भतीजावाद, well known for being bad, a person of evil reputation, notorious, kukyat, a person who is new to a profession, without training or experience, novice, nausikhiya, the study or collection of coins. Numismatics, Mudra Shastra, one who sees the bright side of things. Optimist, Ashavadi, a person who tends to see the worst aspect of situations. Pessimist, Nirashavadi, unwilling to speak about one's thoughts or feelings. Reticent, Kam bolne wala, a speech in which a person talks to themselves. Especially in a play. Soliloquy, स्वयं से बोला गया संवाद, one who freely offers to do something. Volunteer, स्वयंसेवक, open to more than one interpretation. Ambiguous, अस्पष्ट, अनेकार्थी, a partial or total loss of memory. Amnesia, भूलने की बीमारी, having an unknown or withheld name or identity. Anonymous, बेनाम, गुमनाम, a person appointed by two parties to settle a dispute. Arbitrator. Panch, Madhyasth, a person trained to travel in a spacecraft. Astronaut. Antariksh Yatri, the act of speaking disrespectfully about sacred or religious things. Blasphemy, Ishwar ki Ninda, a group of travelers journeying together across a desert. A shelter of a gypsy caravan. Kafila, a systematic list of items or publications. Catalogue. Suchi, a person who regards the whole world as their country. Cosmopolitan, Sarvadeshiya, ready to believe things too easily. Credulous, Bhola Bhala, a person who believes people act only from self-interest. Cynic, Nindak, Sandehvadi Vyakti, a short speech at the end of a play. Epilogue, Upsahar, a formal expression of praise for someone who has died. Eulogy, Prashansa Bhashan, a person who sells and arranges cut flowers. Florist, Fulwala, excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. Garrulous, Batuti, one who is easily deceived. Gullible, Bhola Bhala, unable to read or write. Illiterate, Anpar, the scientific study of birds. Ornithology, Pakshi. Vigyan, a person who opposes war or use of military force. Pacifist, Shantivadi, the act of using another person's ideas or work as one's own. Plagiarism, Sahityak Chori, the scientific study of the mind and behavior. Psychology, Manovigyan, a large number of fish swimming together. Shoal, Machliyon ka jhund, in exactly the same words as were used originally. Verbatim, Shabd Pratishabd, Hubahu, he person who is long experienced or practiced in an activity. Veteran, Anubhavi, the money paid regularly to a former spouse after divorce. Alimony, Bharan Poshan Bhatta, Guzara Bhatta, a glass tank where fish and water plants are kept. Aquarium, Machli Ghar, able to speak two languages. Bilingual, Dvibhashik, a funeral procession. Cortege, Shav Yatra, the scientific study of the skin and its diseases. Dermatology, Twacha Vigyan, a man behaving more like a woman than a man. Effeminate, Nari Jaisa, a widespread outbreak of a disease affecting many people at the same time. Epidemic, Mahamari, a person motivated by irrational enthusiasm. Fanatic, Kattarpanthi, a building in which aircraft are housed. Hangar, Vimanshala, a person who believes that pleasure is the most important thing in life. Hedonist. Sukhvadi, a system of government by a king or queen. Monarchy, Rajtantra, a place for keeping dead bodies before burial or cremation. Mortuary, Shavgreh, a notice of a person's death. Obituary, Mrityu. Suchna, that through which light cannot pass. Opaque, Apardarshi, the belief that God is in everything, including nature. Pantheism, Sarveshwarvad, the violation or misuse of something regarded as sacred. Sacrilege, Apavitrikaran, an extreme fear of heights. Acrophobia, Unchai ka dar, a short, interesting or amusing story about a real person or event. Anecdote, वास्तविक घटना पर आधारित छोटी कहानी, one who studies the evolution and development of human societies and cultures. Anthropologist, मानव विज्ञान का अध्ययन करने वाला, the scientific study of celestial bodies. Astronomy, खगोल शास्त्र, one who officially examines financial accounts or records, auditor, लेखा परीक्षक, हिसाब किताब की जांच करने वाला, one who is unable to pay his debts, bankrupt, दिवालिया, the scientific study of plants in their structure, botany, वनस्पति विज्ञान, an arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present, bouquet, guldasta, a person with whom one works in a profession or business, colleague, सहकर्मी, a group of people gathered for religious worship, congregation, धार्मिक सभा, a center of attraction or attention, cynosure, akarshan bindu, the study of population and its dynamics, demography, jansankhiki, a doctor who studies and treats skin diseases, dermatologist, twacha rog, visheshagya, fit or suitable to be eaten, edible, khane yogya, causing or ending in death, fatal, ghatak, a person who has escaped from captivity or is in hiding, fugitive, bhagora, the scientific study of the earth, including its structure, rocks, and soil, geology, bhugarbhashastra, the study of growing garden plants, horticulture, udyan vigyan, extraordinary or unbelievable, incredible, avishwasniya, incapable of feeling tired or exhausted, indefatigable, na thakne wala, the condition of being unable to sleep over a period of time, insomnia, anidra, a person who supervises during an examination, invigilator, pariksha paryavekshak, one who is killed for the cause of religion or faith, martyr, shaheed, a place where dead bodies are kept for identification, morgue, murdaghar, a person who lacks interest in art, culture, or refined ideas, philistine, कला संस्कृति के प्रति उदासीन व्यक्ति, the practice of having more than one husband at the same time, polyandry, bahupati pratha, an introduction to a literary work. Prologue, prastavna, a false name used by an author instead of their real one, pseudonym, upnam, not connected with religious or spiritual matters, secular, dharm nirpeksh, the study of the nature of God and religious beliefs, theology, dharma shastra, dharmik vishwas ka adhyayan, one who lends money at unreasonably high interest, usurer, sudkhor, a decorative ring of flowers and leaves, wreath, phoolon ki mala, to give up one's authority or throne, abdicate, apna pad ya dawa chhod dena, concerned with beauty or the appreciation of beauty, aesthetic, saundarya sambandhi. A list of items to be discussed at a meeting, agenda, karyasuchi, an extreme fear of open or public places, agoraphobia, खुले या भीड़भाड़ वाले सार्वजनिक स्थानों का भय, an annual calendar containing astronomical data and important dates, almanac, panchang, an official pardon granted to a group of people, especially for political offences, amnesty, sarkari kshama, a medicine to counteract the effect of poison, antidote, vishnashak, living or growing in or near water, aquatic, jaliya, a place of refuge or safety, an institution for the mentally ill, asylum, sharan-sthal, mansik chikitsalya, a place where soldiers are stationed, barracks, sainikon ke liye bane ghar, a government run by officials in a state bureaucracy. Naukarshahi ka shasan, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds, cacophony, kolahal, karkash dhwani, a doctor specializing in the study or treatment of heart diseases, cardiologist, hriday rog visheshagya, feeding on the flesh of other animals, carnivorous, masahari, gradual recovery of health and strength after illness, convalescence, swasthya labh, a government by the people through elected representatives, democracy, जनता द्वारा चुने गए प्रतिनिधियों का शासन, a large bedroom for a number of people in a school or institution, dormitory, shringar, the ability to understand and share another person's feelings, empathy, sahanubhuti, दूसरे की भावना समझने की क्षमता, the plants and vegetation of a particular region, flora, किसी क्षेत्र की वनस्पति, The killing of one's brother, fratricide, भ्रातृहत्या, a person who enjoys eating and often eats too much gourmand, अधिक खाने वाला, भोजन प्रेमी, a person who dishonestly pretends to be someone else in order to deceive, impostor, ढोंगी, बहरूपिया, that which catches fire easily. Inflammable, ज्वलनशील, unable to be satisfied, insatiable, जिसकी इच्छा कभी पूरी न हो, that which cannot be called back or reversed, irrevocable, जिसे बदला न जा सके. अटल, a small shelter for a dog. Kennel, कुत्ता घर, eating both plants and meat, omnivorous. Sarvahari, the art of persuasive speaking or writing rhetoric. Vapatuta, दिखावटी भाषा. One who helps a person in need, Samaritan, दूसरों की निस्वार्थ सहायता करने वाला.